everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at a 2 glass door beverage cooler. This is going to be one of our brand new styles. Okay, brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. You can see it has a glass door, black on all sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off by giving you the overall measurements of this unit. I'll also measure the inside for you. For the length, you're looking at 48 inches, 4 feet. Front to back, 27 inches. And the overall height, you're going to be looking at about 78 inches high, 78. The unit does have wheels on the bottom, already installed, okay, so you can easily move it around. Also on the front, we have our control for the refrigerator. So if you want to go ahead and control temperature, you can go ahead and do that. It'll also display your temperature once the unit is on and running. And we also have a light switch. Okay, so there will be light on the inside, on the sides for this unit, LED lighting. Also, you have locks for these doors. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and lock these doors, you can. You have that option as well. Okay, handles will be in the middle, and you're gonna have automatic closing doors. Okay. So now let's go ahead and give you these overall inside measurements for this unit, front to back. You're looking at a total of 20 inches, left to right, 44, 45, and the overall height, you're going to be looking at a total of about 62 inches. Okay, the unit does have shelves as well on the inside. You got a total of 8 shelves, 4 on each side. Fans are on the top. You have 2 fans for the cooling on this unit. Okay, now you follow me over here to the back. We'll locate the plug for this unit on the bottom. It is going to be a standard US plug. Runs on 115 volt. Okay, 115 volt. And on the very top of this unit, we have a sticker with more information, all the specs on this unit. Okay, you also see the certification. This unit is certified by the health department. Okay, so that's going to be located on the back of the unit. And that's going to be a little demonstration on this 2 glass door beverage cooler. If you're interested in one of these styles, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll have you guys out. Thank you for watching.